Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Today we will see something about continuous statement. For that I am using Jupyter Notebook because we need to thorough with all the IDEs. So today I am using the Jupyter Notebook. So for that, I need to go to here because I already installed the Anaconda and I showed how to install all those things. And here I am opening the Jupyter Notebook. If it is not here, just type here and Jupyter. Okay, and just go to Start and click Jupyter Notebook. In mobile also you can do by using the Termax or any other application that we will see later. Now the Jupyter Notebook is opening and it is opened and I'm going to write my current program in desktop. So I'm clicking the desktop, and in the desktop I'm going to create one new file, that is new Python 3. It will load the notebook, and here today we are learning. I'm changing this to markdown, and here I'm writing while no, not the while. Now we are using continue continue statement. Continuous statement. Okay, this is just a text, this is not the program, because here I changed this to markdown. After that I will click this insert, and I will just click on this. So I think no, not this one. We need to click on plus because we need to insert the next block. Here next block is included, and it is automatically, it takes this to the code. So for this, what I will do means I will just simply write one small program, and I will explain how the continuous statement will work. So for that I am declaring one variable I equals to 0. Okay, then I'm using a while loop in order to use the continuous statement. We can use in any loops, but here I'm using the while loop. So while I is less than 10, okay, and here I need to we need to give one colon. Okay, I will zoom this colon, and after that it automatically takes the indentation, and here I'm incrementing the value of I equals to I plus equal 1. That means I is incremented by 1 each time, if I is equals to 3, then I need to just I need to use continue statement. Okay, and here I'm going to print the value of I. Basically this continue is used to stop the current iteration and to execute with the next. That means when here, look at here, while I is less than 10, if we just print the value of I, it will print from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. But in between, what I wrote means if I equals to 3, that means when I value becomes equals to 3, that time the continue will be executed. The continue means it will not come to the next line, whatever right here, it will just continue that iteration. That means it will stop the ongoing iteration, and it starts with that next one. That means if I is equal to 3, after 3 it will execute the 4. Okay, it will next I value gets the 4, but it will not print the 3 because it will not execute. Okay, we will run and we will see, and here you can see 1 2 and 3 is missing, and after that 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is like initially I equals to 0 while I is less than 10, and I'm incrementing I plus equals to 1, and what happens means here when I got the value 3, okay, 3 is less than 10, that condition is true. So it comes to the next part, and no, when I got the value 2, okay, 2, then I will be incremented to plus 1, so I becomes 3. If I equal to 3, so I value becomes 3, then continue statement will be executed. Since here we incremented this I value by 1 and we are printing, we are not getting the value starting from 0, because here we will trace the program just like initially the I gets the value 0 here, but I plus equal to 1, that means 0 is incremented to 1. If I equal to 3, 1 is not equal to 3, so 1 is not equal to 3, so it will give the false, that means it is not true. So here 1 is equal to 3 is false, so it will not execute this continue statement, it will just come to the next line which are all there, so that is the print I, so it is printing 1. Okay, then again the I is incremented to 1, so here I plus equal to 1 means I becomes 2. So if 2 is equal to 3, no, 2 is not equal to 3, so again the print is executed, so print I 2, and after that here the 2 comes. 2 is less than 10, yeah, it is correct, so it jumps to the next statement, that is 2 plus equal to 1 means 3. If 3 equal to 3, yes, it is 3 equal to 3, so it is jumps to the continue statement. Continue means it is not printing the statements which are all there after this, after the continue, that means here whatever we write, no, all those things are not executed. It will just stop this iteration, the ongoing iteration here, and it will start that means the ongoing current progress here, and it will start it will increment that means the I now will get the value 3, and 3 plus 1 equal to 4, 4 is not equal to 3, again this will be executed, so here 4 will execute. I hope you understand about this continue statement. This will stop the whatever the flow here, the program flow, and it will start again with the from the beginning, that means I value is incremented to 4, 5 like that. So if this met with the continue statement, then it will not execute this print, otherwise it will just keep on executing the statements which are all there. I think you hope understand about this continue statement. And in the mobile too, we are using the Termax app till now, but we need to thorough with different mobile applications also. So just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just type for Python IDE. Okay, just type for Python IDE. Here lots of apps are there, and you can use any of the Python IDE, but just look here which app has more number of downloads, that means it will be more better, and 4.4 plus, just keep just see its ratings. Okay, now I'm using this QPython 3L. No, it has something bit less. Okay, now we will use this, and we will try with two different applications. So just install this application, and okay, it is downloading. It is 22.79 MB. Yeah, okay, here we can see it is downloaded, and just click open, and here you can see it is allowing to access, give access, console, editor, programs, and lots of things are there, and just go to console, and I think here you can use the Python editor just like the Termax. Okay, here also you can see the same Python 3.6.6, but it is but the newest version is the Python 3.8. But anyway, for these basic codes that nothing matters, so here we can just type okay, yeah, here you can just type any of the programs, and you can run, but here the keyboard won't support you using something the arrow mark and all those things, because it is my mobile keyboard, it not supports the arrow mark and all. But in Termax you will automatically get we can check that here in Termax you can see you will get this Control, Alt, and all these buttons directly, and I think we will see the Python version here. Okay, Python, and here you can see it is the Python 3.8.3. that means okay, I think Python 3.8.3 default May 14, 2020. That means it is updated. This is the newest updated version, because Termax is used by many of the something, it is like mobile developers. So here everything is updated time to time, but in other apps also some it will take some time to update. And you can go to Play Store and you can download others. You can try with other Python IDs too. And here you can see this is with the 4.4 star, and but its MB is more. You can try, I think, yeah, it is also, you can try. Here you can see here libraries are also there, numpy, skippy and all those things. Libraries also it supports. So this apps or any other IDEs we can try, I think. Yeah, here you can see this one, and lots of IDEs that are there. You can use any of these IDs. I think you hope understand. The IDE won't matters. Whatever the program you are writing is same in if we write in any of the IDEs. It is just we need to thorough with all these things. It's just simply. I think you hope understand. Thank you.